2025 Can-Am Electric Motorcycles Inside Look, 13 Fast Facts. Can-Am, known for pushing boundaries in the powersports industry, is shifting gears with the introduction of their highly anticipated 2025 electric motorcycle lineup. With sustainability and cutting-edge technology in mind, Can-Am is stepping into the electric motorcycle scene with models designed for a range of riders, from those looking for recreational fun to those seeking high-performance thrills. Here's an inside look at the 13 fast facts surrounding Can-Am's 2025 electric motorcycles. 1. All-electric powertrain. The standout feature of the 2025 Can-Am electric motorcycles is their all-electric powertrain. Can-Am has developed highly efficient electric motors designed to deliver smooth, linear power and instant torque, eliminating the need for gears while offering an exciting and sustainable ride. 2. Range and charging. Can-Am's electric motorcycles come equipped with advanced battery technology that provides impressive range. On a full charge, the bikes can go up to 150 miles depending on the model and riding conditions. Charging is made easy with the inclusion of a fast charging system that gets riders back on the road quickly, with an 80% charge taking less than 45 minutes. 3. Regenerative braking system. To enhance efficiency, Can-Am has integrated a regenerative braking system into their electric motorcycles. This feature helps recover energy during braking, extending battery life and improving overall energy efficiency, especially during city commuting or off-road excursions. 4. Purpose-built models. For 2025, Can-Am is launching a range of models, from dual-sport bikes built for mixed terrain to street-oriented models focused on urban commuting and highway cruising. Each is designed to offer a specific riding experience, whether you're tackling rough trails or city streets. 5. Lightweight construction. With an emphasis on performance, the 2025 Can-Am electric motorcycles are designed to be lightweight without compromising strength. The aluminum frame helps reduce weight, making the bikes nimble and responsive, perfect for off-road and street use alike. 6. Advanced suspension systems. The electric motorcycles feature high-performance suspension systems designed to provide comfort and control in various conditions. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or smooth pavement, the suspension will keep the ride stable and composed. 7. Instant torque delivery. Electric motors are known for their instant torque delivery, and Can-Am has fully embraced this characteristic in their electric motorcycles. Riders can experience immediate power upon throttle input, making acceleration both thrilling and smooth, especially on trails or tight urban environments. 8. Smart connectivity features. In line with modern expectations, the 2025 Can-Am electric motorcycles come with smart connectivity features, including Bluetooth integration for connectivity with smartphones and other devices. Riders can access important data such as ride stats, battery status, and location tracking. 9. Customizable riding modes. Riders can switch between multiple riding modes, adjusting the performance characteristics of the bike based on terrain or riding style. Whether you prefer a more aggressive performance for trails or a smoother ride for city commuting, the bike adapts to your needs. 10. Low maintenance. With the elimination of traditional combustion engine parts, Can-Am's electric motorcycles require significantly less maintenance. There are no oil changes or complex engine repairs to worry about, making them an ideal choice for riders looking for hassle-free ownership. 11. Quiet operation. One of the key benefits of electric bikes is their near-silent operation. The 2025 Can-Am electric motorcycles operate with minimal noise, offering a quieter riding experience whether on the road or the trail while reducing noise pollution in natural areas. 12. Eco-friendly design. In keeping with Can-Am's commitment to sustainability, the 2025 electric lineup is designed with eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes. The bikes emit zero emissions, offering an environmentally conscious alternative to traditional gas-powered motorcycles. 13. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Can-Am electric motorcycles will be available in late 2024, with pricing starting around $10,000 for the entry-level models. Higher performance variants and more rugged off-road models will be priced upwards of $15,000. Conclusion. Can-Am's 2025 electric motorcycles represent a bold step forward in the evolution of the powersports industry. With cutting-edge technology, sustainability at the core, and high-performance capabilities, these bikes are sure to attract a wide variety of riders, from enthusiasts looking for thrilling off-road experiences to eco-conscious commuters. The future of motorcycling is electric, and Can-Am is leading the charge.